Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to make a PayPal for art commissions. First, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Now click on Sign Up and choose the account type that best fits your needs. For most art commissions, a personal account can work when you're starting out, while some artists prefer a business account for a more professional setup. Next, enter your email address and create a secure password. Then fill in your personal information, including your name, address, and phone number. After that, verify your email address by clicking the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Now sign into your PayPal account and go to the Wallet section. Here, link your bank account, debit card, or credit card so you can receive and withdraw payments. Follow the verification steps if PayPal asks you to confirm your payment method. Once your account is set up, go to your PayPal profile and find your PayPal email address or payment link. You can share this information with clients who want to pay for your artwork. Before accepting commissions, consider creating a commission price list that clearly explains your rates, payment terms, and delivery timelines. When a client is ready to order, provide your PayPal email address or send them a PayPal payment request directly through the PayPal website or app. Ask clients to include details about their commission in the payment notes if needed. After receiving payment, check your PayPal account to confirm that the funds have arrived before starting the artwork if that matches your commission policy. Once the commission is completed, deliver the artwork to your client through your preferred method. You can then use PayPal to track payments, review transaction history, send invoices, and manage future commission payments. As your commission business grows, regularly review PayPal's fees, policies, and account settings to make sure everything continues to meet your needs. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.